A battle of the mods, man, and an absolutely epic dream battle between the two female bladers that actually have their own bays in the show. And props to Hasbro for even making these two bays and making Quadra a thing. But it's Quadra or Pre taking on Ilya. This is gonna be awesome. Modded Lightning Pandora versus the modded Magma Ifritor. So Pandora over the regular attachments and such with it, and 0 for Ifritor. Over plus, for this, up in the burst resistance, and then over plus for this as well, with the Jaggy Wave attachment, but starting off with the Jaggy. And also it's got 10 for the armor. But yeah, man, so stamina versus balance. This is going to be intense. Bop, and bop. Gotta see who's going to take this thing. Ifritor got a couple of hits in right there. Focuses on his balance big time. It goes with that stall strategy, also getting the attacks in. Major blows here. Just makes me so happy that these two bays actually perform at the level of like TT's, DB and BU bays. Makes me so happy. Oh shoot! All right, so that first one goes to Pandora. That's one. Pandora the Explorer. I don't know. I'll probably make jokes about it or something. It's all out of love. Y'all already know. Just an epic dream battle, man. Imagine if these two were to have faced off. It'll be so cool if Ilya came back with Quad Strike. We have to see this battle, but I don't know if it'll happen. But yeah, so that's 2. If it takes out again, I'm gonna switch it up. What the fuck? Bro! No way! Did it just break? Dude! I get counted to 4, but what? Yo! No, you gotta be kidding me. It actually broke. Yo, Ifritor's out of commission. Pandora just straight up broke it. It just straight up broke it. Was this the destined path? Dude, the attachment came off? Well, no, I didn't. It legit broke. Ifritor couldn't take that power. Bro, I'm heartbroken. I wanted it to be an intense battle. I didn't want it to end like this. Bro. Pandora. Oh my god.